Solar panels. They're increasingly used to meet our energy needs. But there's a problem with the way silicon panels are made. They're hugely inefficient. That's because they only convert about 22% of the sun's rays into electricity. But scientists from the University of Oxford in the United Kingdom have made a discovery that's set to transform the industry, thanks to an obscure mineral called perovskite.
This is silicon. It takes about 7 tons of this material to make 1 million watts of solar cells. This is the perovskite material, completely synthesized from Earth-abundant elements. It only takes 35 kilograms of this material to make the same 1 million watts of solar cells. 7 tons, 35 kilograms.
Working with perovskite in Oxford PV's labs, scientists found they could convert 28% of the sun's rays into electricity if they placed the layer of the mineral over a silicon cell. In time, they believe they can double the current efficiency rate of silicon panels, eventually converting to 40% of the sun's rays into electricity.
It means we'll be able to produce solar cells that actually produce more energy than the existing solar cells. And if it could produce more energy, it means we can more rapidly adopt or transition to a sustainable energy generation future. And that's critical, from the mitigation of climate change standpoint. The faster we can move to an all-electric world, the better off we are.
But perovskites have other exciting advantages too. See, they're lightweight, transparent, and very flexible. Imagine then seeing it wrapped around and incorporated into entire buildings. That's the ambition of Warsaw-based Sol Technologies. They've started printing it using an inkjet printer.
It can be printed, so it's very cheap. We can use perovskite cells on the facades of the building, on the roofs of the buildings, on the roofs of the cars, on the electronic devices, small electronic devices. We can use it on the sails. We can use it in the boats, tents, unlimited applications.
There's an estimated 20,000 people and many other companies working on this technology. That's how convinced people are of the future, potential for this material. It's going to be, and it is, the most significant development in photovoltaics in 65 years.
Such a significant development that it looks like the sky's the limit for a solar energy future.